Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of my Crystal the Stone deck. This is 78 crystal to energize your life, and this is done by Chronicle Books. This is published by Chronicle Books, and this text is by Andrew Smart and photography by Jason Vijay. And this is a 78 card deck. It's a study box. I'm so excited about it. And here's is the crystal, is the flip-flop. You have seen the legendary Ladies Goddess deck. Same publish has done. So it's the same, they have done the box in a same style. Like flipping its study box. Now this is the box. Now card. Okay. It's nice art. So this is the deck. This is the little guidebook, I must say, very little guidebook, very slim. How to use this deck? It has given how to meditate with crystals, how to make fashion statement, how to honor your astrological sign. That's nice. How to make the world's simplest crystal green, beautiful. How to keep bad vibes out, how to feel better granted, how to get grounded, how to set an intention, how to power up for the long haul, how to express yourself, how to take care of your stones. That's it. It's little information about the crystal. Here comes the deck. So this is a 78 crystal, and let me show you. It's so beautiful. I'm like feeling wow. Let me zoom in so that you can properly, I'm so sorry, properly see my cards, Yeah, better. I was setting my camera, sorry about it. So okay, this cardstock, I have heard like everybody saying it's not good, it's very flimsy and all. I'm going to give you a clear and honest review. The cardstock is not that flimsy, but everybody knows our Chronicle books. I got 2-3 Oracle decks, but they shuffle nice. I don't mind. For me, it's okay. It's in a thin side, but not that thin. It's okay. And backside, the black tell me what it is, who need it, and when to use it. This I love about it. If this is black tourmaline, the backside is the gray, blackish gray. It's a gray. So I love this style. This is a clear picture. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm in love with it. So let me see, which one is this? Jet. What it is, where to put it, who need it, and when to use it. I love about it. Let me see. Jet, earthly and grounding. This true black mineral variety of coal is an ancient fossilized driftwood. Who need it is empaths and witchy type. Oh, I love it. When to use it? When asking for guidance from elsewhere, think season guided meditation, hardcore tarot session. Jet can take the edge off high vibe, stone like moldavite, and serpentine, and a wise old friends to bring as your one wherever your triggers are sure to be on the guest list. Yeah, not bad. I like it. Wow, so beautiful. The picture is so clean. It's white and colorful picture of a stone, obsidian. Shungite. Nice. I'll show like this so that everybody can see the color. Yeah, that's better. Ooh, Shiv Lingam. Topaz. I must say, I love the deck. It's a cardstock is in thin side, but not that thin. It shuffles nice. In the end, I will show you how it shuffles smoky cards. hematite. Oh, beautiful. It's very colorful. Which color the stone is backside they have given it. Okay. It's very beautiful. Love it. So beautiful. Oh, this is citrine, orange calcite. This is citrine. Honey, I was confused. Sunstone, I'm so sorry. It makes me tiger eyes. Beautiful. Amber. Wow. I'm in love with this. It's so beautiful. It looks so real. The photography of the stone is beautiful. They come out beautiful and they have written very colorful, and I'm feeling very positive with this deck. I'm falling in love. Let me clear, I'm falling in love with this deck. It is recommended for everyone who is new to crystal. Very positivity. Please guys, please check the video. That's why I'm making these videos, that people should know, even I should know how the card stock is. It's not that bad. It's good to use. It will shuffle nice. I'm happy with this deck. This is so beautiful deck. And yes, this is my first crystal deck. Honestly, it's my first crystal deck and it's beautiful. If anybody wants only one deck, get this one, guys. Get this one. Look at the crystals. They are looking so beautiful. And it's ordered in a colorful, wow. Amazonite is beautiful. Turquoise. It's very beautiful, guys. I'm in love with this deck. Look. They look so real and beautiful in a white background. I am very happy that I love this deck, because when I checked the reviews, I was not happy, but still I love this. That's the reason I got it, and my intuitions called me to get this deck. This is the best crystal. Another crystal deck I have ordered before this deck was my Crystal Wisdom Healing Oracle, and the company betrayed. I didn't get that deck. I waited for more than a month, and then I ordered this deck, and I must say I'm happy to get this deck. I'm very happy to get this deck. Wow, very positive, colorful, beautiful. Please guys, do check this deck, I must say. I love the way it returns. Look, it's so cute. Beautiful. I'm very excited to work with this deck, and let me see how it feels. But now I'm feeling very positive. But the card stock is smooth. It's smooth. It's good finished card stock, guys. I will not say it's very thick, but it's not that bad. You can shuffle it nicely. It's beautiful. I'm keep saying beautiful. I think it's too beautiful. Oh, selenite. I have same selenite. Look, they look so similar. I'm so excited. Wow. And this is nice because a 78 crystal, you'll get the information about them and how to use, when to use. It's quite nice, I must say. They're into a matte, smoothie side. Beautiful. This is a quartz. So guys, let me show you how it shuffles. Yeah, it shuffles nice. Not bad. Because they are not like Oracle deck, the broad ones. They are long, tall with my hands. You can shuffle it like this, you know. You can shuffle it like this. It will look beautiful. I have done ups and downs. So let's take one card. This is shuffling nice. Okay, that's the one. So we got the diamond. The diamond, nice. What it says, diamond. Set in engagement rings, wow, iced out chain, the girl's best friend of gemstone, is the hardest naturally occurring material on planet Earth. Diamonds are more than just status symbol. Their radiance energy clears away spiritual clouds cover so can bask in the purest light. Who needs it? Who doesn't? Everybody knows. Girls love it. Where to put it? Wherever you had like to bling. When to use it? When you have just got to keep it icy. When you want to keep your intention perfectly clear. When it's time to beam your own unique light through the darkness for all to see. On it with diamond. That's beautiful. So guys, this is a beautiful deck and I'm loving to work with it. So I hope you like this video. This is beautiful deck. I can recommend anyone. Please do watch this one. It's beautiful. Crystal the Stone deck. Thank you guys for watching. Namaste.